In this video we are going to talk about the best roasting pan in this year, which is Circulen nonstick roasting pan. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Circulen nonstick bakeware 17-inch by 13-inch roaster with U-rack makes it simple to create holiday roasts, family feasts, and more. With its convenient chrome-plated U-shaped rack, this oven roaster keeps meats off the bottom of the pan so unwanted fats drip away to the bottom of the roaster. The heavy-duty steel construction promotes balanced heat distribution for superior cooking performance and long-lasting durability, while the nonstick roaster has rolled edges for extra strength. The oven roaster also features premium quality nonstick for excellent food release and easy cleanup. Oven safe to 450 Fahrenheit, this big turkey roaster is a great way to create delicious meals. Roasting turkey, ham, roast beef, chicken and more is easier using the Circulen bakeware 17-inch by 13-inch nonstick roaster with rack. Extra large roasting pan with rack, 17-inch x 13-inch nonstick oven roaster with rack. Durable roaster rack, the roaster features a convenient U-shaped rack that keeps meats off the bottom of the pan. Fast and even heating, nonstick roaster features heavy-duty steel construction for fast, even heat distribution. Superior nonstick technology provides excellent oven roaster food release and easy cleanup. High-performance design, oven safe to 450 Fahrenheit, the roasting pan has superior nonstick and wide handles for a confident grip. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.